What's up, guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. And it's a little late in the day, but you know, something's crossed my mind. I picked up some new Puddle lights for the Audi Q3. I did do a video on this a while ago. I think it's around 5 years ago. I'll link it up above here if you guys are interested. But you know, it's been 5 years. I believe I got those off of Amazon or eBay or something, and they're starting to deteriorate, where the film, I guess over time, constant use, I guess the film just breaks down, and then the image either gets really dull, the colors don't show as nicely, and you know, it goes bad. It's not an OEM, and it was a relatively cheap upgrade to do. I think I paid maybe 50 bucks for it or something. So I ended up getting a new set that I found on, again, it's on Amazon, or it was either Amazon or eBay. I bought it a while ago, and it just crossed my mind today. So let's do an install and switch them out. But again, these are supposed to be an upgrade. They're supposed to be long lasting. I believe they said it's supposed to last at least 7 years or something like that. So that's a really long time. And they're also LEDs, so they should be a lot brighter and look a lot nicer at night. I mean, right now on the floor, you could barely see the circles, and they look a little deranged. They're starting to leak through. They definitely match like the Halloween vibe, if that's what we were going for, but it's not. We want nice crisp lines, we want good color, and we want it to look like OEM new again. So let's get to it. I mean, if you have watched my previous video, you know this is a pretty easy install, no major tools. The only thing that we're going to be using is a little pry tool. Here we go, right here. And this, actually, I bought another set of these for the BMW, which we'll do in another video. Guys, let's get to the install. This is a really easy install. Shouldn't take very long, and then I'll come back a little later tonight so we can see how good it looks on the ground, and I'll give you my honest opinions. Again, I purchased this myself. It's not sponsored or anything like that, so if I think it's good, I'll let you know. If I think it's bad, I'll also let you know. These were pretty cheap. I think they were about 50 bucks, around there, for a set. So if you want to do the front and back, it would be about you would have to get 2 sets. Now let me just show you what it looks like, if I can get it out of the case. Here we go. So these are them now. They look like a little better quality. It has a little metal heat sink in the back here, it looks like, to keep things all situated correctly. We are gonna have to mess with it to make sure it is angled the right way. There is a little tab on the side here that you can turn, I guess, if it's not perfectly lined up the way you want it on the floor. So we might have to come back and take a look at it and see what it looks like once we're done. But I mean, it's a little better quality, it looks like. And I mean, the other one lasted 5 years. I really feel like I paid like 30 or 40 bucks. You know what, I'm gonna see if I could find where I bought them from, but whatever the case may be, they lasted 5 years, so that's pretty good. So these are supposed to last a lot longer because they're LED, not just a light shining through a film. Technically it's still an LED bulb shining through. I believe it's a type of film, but I guess the film is a better quality. And but let's put it in and see how it looks. done. Look how easy that was. Now the other one was made out of plastic. Also, this thing got really, really hot, but it still shines. Now you can see this is a lot clearer even now in the day. I mean, it should get better once it gets darker out, but you can see this one says, it has the Audi symbol, it says Audi, and it does say Q3 on it. Pretty nice. Let's go to the other side and get the other one done. As you can see, it was like less than 2 minutes to change these out. Really easy. Alright guys, we got the other side down. I just put the mat down so it's kind of easier for you to see how it looks, but I'll come back when it's a little darker out so you can get a better view of it. Really like it. I think it came out pretty good, but let's see how it looks when it's really dark out. Alright guys, I'll add in the pictures of how it looks when it's dark out, but that pretty much wraps us up. Really quick video, nothing crazy. We did this once before. We just upgraded to hopefully a better one, a little different than what the old one was. So if you like it, you know, I'll try to put all the information, if I can find it, if it's still available, down below. And if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.